Hello, siyakumukela kwi-conversation oyinikezwa Icebolethu Group ngingu Alex Mthiane. Uzoqaphela ukuthi because Icebolethu li-innovative, not as kwi-industry yezokungcwaba, but as a brand. They have this platform la update khona about the products. Nawe osengaphandle mhlawumbe ngasushintsha umqondo mangabe usuzwa kule conversation ukuthi yini oyitholayo nengama benefits. Later on, I'm going to introduce my panelists, group chief executive, managing executive, my products, the changes, the developments. We also have Ingnosa, brand ambassador, the sought after actress, Mamlambo. Later on, introduce. But for now, let me introduce Nomfundo Mtsoyi, chief executive.
Ngibingelele, ngibonga ithuba, Alex. This is an opportunity you've never had in a very long time with our clients, and thank you for watching. Wherever you are, be on Facebook, on YouTube, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi you are engaging with us today.
Thank you. Engage. Now let's engage with the newly appointed managing executive, Mr. Pengo.
Umthane, sabingelela kakhulu. Siyabonga leli thuba nababukeli emakhaya namalunga eCebolethu nje. Sisicebula abantu.
Icebola abantu ngiyithanda leyo. Yeah, do this as ulalele. Makukhona mhlambe iquestion onayo, you're more than welcome ukuthi uyifake khona la sizokuphendula. And une comment mhlambe also talk about the experience oyitholile emabranchini or kwi staff saseCebolethu. I myself have to say something before the end of this engagement about the experience I got as a member yeCebolethu. Ngizotshela later on. Nomfundo, we had ukuthi seni underwriter Sanlam. So ngithina ke abantu phaqa mhlambe abangekho kule industry yezokungcwaba. Ichaza uthini le nto, how we break it down ngolimi esizoluzwa?
Sanlam, it's a very big company in South Africa. For us, it was a strategic decision ukuthi ukukhula kwethu indlela esifuna ukukhula ngayo, Sanlam was the better brand. You know, Icebolethu services even SADC, not just South Africans only within South Africa, but we are into Africa and also internationally. Actually, we are a global brand. So for us, Ms. Bugala Siakona, it was very important to choose the best partner to go with. And we know Sanlam is in 13 countries in Africa already. So for us to service those 13 countries, it was easy for us. Ukuthi sishade nebrand efana no Sanlam. So ke la siyakhona kuyakhanya. So abantu abangathuki, Sanlam is a very reputable brand, and akushintshi lutho ukuthi ubukhaveke kanjani, ayikho into ezoshintsha cover yakho. We know ukuthi before bes underwriter no Old Mutual kanye no AUL, we stop lobo budlelwano so that sizohlala ekhaya elilodwa wonke ama clients ethu abe under one roof, so that it grows nazo zonke ezinye izinto ezinhle that we still want to do for our clients kuzoba lula uma sisekhaya elilodwa.
Okay, so now ngisenkhonjizwa mawuso khuluma ngendaba ukuthi you international, you still have people today about hey Icebolethu ilona langcwaba uQueen wasengilande. Do you still get people abanbuza kanjalo?
Yes, they do that. and you know the way Miss Trenda even in UK manje uQueen in this. We're very grateful ukuthi sihlanganiswe nento efana naleyo because we are an international brand. Futhi ke phela sasi-capable ukungcwaba uQueen.
Oh, excuse me.
If we're given a chance, we would have buried the Queen.
Yeah.
And also mhlambe into engikhohliwe ukuyibeka ukuthi industry yethu is very regulated.
Yeah.
So for us as a brand, it was very important ukuthi part of the regulation and compliance nani sonke isikhathi siyiqikelele as a brand, not just a brand esebenza South Africa, even beyond the borders. Mawubheka ukuthi we are in the UK and ama regulations akhona, we adhere to them ngayo yonke indlela. And Icebolethu, even here in South Africa nje, we have our FSP license which is 45714, and it's very important if you are a client unomasingcwabisane hayi Icebolethu noma kuphi la ukhona, make sure ukuthi banayo FSP license abasebenza ngayo ukuze bakuvikele ukuthi ungaxhaphazeki. Sibonile ngesikhathi seCovid inkampani eziningi ivalile, zavala iminyango, ezizahluleka ukungcwaba, ezizahluleka ukukhokha ama premiums. Kwabheka lena le ngenxa yani na ngenxa yengcindezi bekhona during iCovid, but ngoba besi underwritten, we had backup, we had reserves as a brand esikhompela uFSCA ukuthi sibe nawo we were able to overcome all of that and be able to service our clients ngayo yonke indlela esasibathembise ngayo from the beginning beqala ukuba ama clients ethu even nabakade bengewona futhi sakwazi ukuthi sibaservice so it's very very important ukuthi ke uyi client noma ngabe ukuphi qikelele lokho.
Yeah, no senibongela even kwasona leso step sokuthi nibe transparent to i-clientele yenu about the services nanokuthi niya-regulate. Unomfundo lana wena managing executive Ncelosi ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi kubaluleke kanjani ukuthi you must comply, but uma seniletha uSanlam eduze kwenu, what would happen to umuntu mhlambe ozothi ngijoin Icebolethu but I am already a client yaka Sanlam? Kuzokwenzekani kuleyo situation?
No, thank you, Alex. To build on what Group CEO has said earlier, i-compliance ukuthini ibaluleke ngendlela yokuthi ibhizinisi lethu fanele not likhule kuphela but fanele libe khona forever. We talk about sustainability of the business. So the reason why you are a licensed FSP is to make sure that amalunga ethu they are protected. The benefits we promise they are always guaranteed and ensured ukuthi azowathola. So in that process, even the governance structures internally, the way we structured organizations, we've got a board, we've got a governance risk committee to make sure that everything that we do is always proper for the benefits of our customers. Now, Sanlam has been around for more than 100 years. So it's the largest non-banking financial services in Africa. So for us, it's been a partner who's got a longevity for the benefits of our customers as well. So there's no change as regards our customers. All the benefits we were told as Icebolethu directly, the processes and everything. They're still intact. By law, we have to underwrite, and Sanlam is our underwriter of choice that we have chosen. Our clients enjoy customer experience, claims experience, the way they've been buying the policies, the way they've been paying our premiums, everything remains the same. But being ensured that it's under regulatory relationship with Sanlam as prescribed by the Act.
Nomfundo, you are celebrated kubantu abamnyama because ngaleka ukuthi umuntu wesifazane, but umuntu ola KwaZulu Natal. Ama achievements enziwa ile brand abantu bathatha pride kuyona. Kunezinto nje even la on social media people saying ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho, kusho ukuthi uSanlam usuthenge Icebolethu. Ngiyazi uyichazile regulatory nanemithetho kumele ihambisane nayo being underwritten by this company athi ine longevity uNcelosi.
No, Sanlam akalithengile Icebolethu. We're just underwriting with them for compliance for our regulations as South Africa that we need to do. Icebolethu, it's still 100% female owned, black female owned. I always forget that.
Underline. Yeah.
Black female owned by myself at the moment. I like what Ngolo said earlier ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi beyond nomfundi Icebolethu lizoba khona. Ukuthi likhona forever, alikho for this generation. So it is azoba khona for a very long time. So mo join Icebolethu azi ukuthi hayi akulona Icebola nomfundo. Nomfundo may have been the founder, maybe the founder and the CEO, but beyond nomfundo Icebolethu labantu, Icebolethu lethu sonke. Kade khuluma ngama governance structures akhona Icebolethu, they there to make sure ukuthi there's continuity, there's succession planning. There is succession for the brand. So kubalekile lokuthi ama clients akwazi. So Icebolethu akulonela kaMcoyi, akulonela kaZondo.
Well, ufana uyicacise lizokwazi ukuphila for my generations
beyond. Yes.
Yeah. So Ncelosi awichazele ukuthi ama customer nabantu nje in general baba nayo leyo nto yokuthi le information asitholanga sekukhona nama scammers akhona njalo njalo. Do you think you have adequately communicated the changes njengawo lawa athinta you being underwritten by Sanlam?
Yeah. By law, when you are moving a policy from one insurer to another, kumele communication with the client be clear and just the understanding of ama benefits abo, ama policy abo, ama client lawo. He moved to Sanlam means 1 June for a group of policies.
Yes.
Now it's always good to corporate clients. Then it's about incwadi ama client A2 so I thumela ama SMS. Then mase ukuthi for my individual policies enzeke 1 July. Nalapho futhi sababhala ama SMS wonke ama client A2 sakufaka all in our social media platforms, sakufaka in our website just to nakuma branches mongena ama branches A2 ungena there's posters ashoyo laphana ukuthi isimanje ama-policies asemuvela to Sanlam from the previous underwriter. So we've done more than adequate in our mind. And clients have reached out to us. Basibuza kwenzakalani kusho ukuthini lokhu. Our call center, which is 24 hours available, has been there to baphendula ama-client awacacisele. Our digital platforms, our digital team has been there. So we've sent the information, clients have come back to us and we've explained, and namanje futhi sinachaza sisakhona to make sure clients are informed.
And a platform like this is for that. Ukuthi futhi babuze noma yini abafisa ukuyibuza noma imuphi umbuzo umuntu anawo. Ungambuza seceleni buza kule platform. Buza kuthini ukuze uthole direct information ekuyiyona correct.
Sure. Do that ke usekhulumela group CEO nangu no managing executive ngiphathi ikhulu zaseCebolethu here ungabuza noma yini ofisa ukuyibuza and ubhale futhi khona la bazokwazi ukuthi ke bakuphendule ukuthi ke bakunikeza low ngcwabo nane service nanama benefits asezingeni eliphezulu. I saw that about a month ago personally and they are woman friendly even ngendlela bazoresponda kuyona to your questions and queries izoba naleyo courtesy. Buka ke lokho kulandelayo so sesiqhubeka. Later on I have a brand ambassador. You always see her on TV. She's here to talk about the great and amazing work irons are on the ground.
Oh, my mother was my best friend. She was the one that I'd call whenever something big or even small happened in my life. When she passed away, I was completely overwhelmed with grief. I didn't know what to do. I'd never planned a funeral before. But one thing that I did know was that I should call Icebolethu. And I'm so glad that I did because they came in and they took care of everything. A funeral planner was assigned to us, Sanlam. He took care of all the arrangements and did everything according to mine and my brother's requirements. He walked with us the whole week. I'm so grateful that I was able to give my mother the heroic send-off that she deserved. And now when I look at my daughter, I see my mother's fire in her eyes. And I know that when she's older and she's able to look back at the funeral, she'll see what a dignified send-off her grandmother was given. And she will understand that her granny was a superhero. So thank you, Icebolethu. Ngiyabonga.
Welcome back. Engagement session here brought to you by your Icebolethu, and we are discussing the products, we're discussing the service, we're discussing compliance, we are also talking about the services akhona kanye nama benefits as well. Now, sikhuluma no group chief executive kanye no managing executive. Icebolethu selibe la kwi space for 13 years.
Yes.
13 years, and you've grown to become a lifestyle brand as well. But imaphi ama-products eninawo ama-packages if ungasusitshele because we assume ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu obukela this conversation umuntu ofamiliar with ukuthi khona lena just to get into wona njengelosi then sobuya-ke later sisibheke ukuthi yini enibuka nithathe into consideration. Imaphi ama-packages eninawo?
Thank you. The reason we've been around for 13 years and growing is because we are very innovative of how we package our products.
Yes.
And in that innovation, we bring excellence. The way we do things is all about excellence. Because we are proud of ourselves by making sure we provide better services in a dignified manner. But they are not expensive. I think when people look at our settings, sometimes people pay a lot of money, but our policies are reasonable. We accommodate any person, doesn't matter which level you are, where you're working, and how much you're earning. From everyone is covered at Icebolethu. So in that way, you've got our dignity plans, you've got our names, or platinum, or corporate, or executive. Umuntu nje client lethu mo Icebolethu ufala ubuzo uzowazi ufunani and ube ne budget yakho and you'll find the product that does to you. But most importantly, we are a one-stop shop. We do everything, just from burial services and to anything that will make a burial. We take the burden of arranging a funeral away from you. And we help you with dignity around that.
Yes.
Just to add on what Ngodos is saying, I remember one client saying, ku Facebook umunye complainer uthi Icebolethu mina when ekhaya sinomncwabo I don't know what is it that they didn't do that she was expecting that she had seen in another funeral. I want to talk to having different packages for everyone. And I love how the other one responded for us without even responding to say, Icebolethu noma yini that oyikhokhela uyayithola. Kuya ngokuthi ufike Icebolethu wathi ufunani. Ngokuthi Icebolethu ngifuna usilver, uzothola usilver nokufana nokasilver. Ufike Icebolethu ufuna uplatinum, uzothola ungangoka platinum. Leyo kade uyikhokhela uyayithola. So ungathi ke wena mina ngelanga ngithola ngalokunani bheka ukuthi mina ngijoyineleni and lo ngikujoyinele futhi mase ufike Icebolethu ungaphatheki kabi ucele nje ibrochure uphinde ubuke uthi ukuthi okay nathi khona ukuthi khona konke so that uzwenza sure ukuthi awucomplain ukuthi mina ngazini engayitholanga whatever you pay for mone catering uzoyithola ngeke sikunika catering ade ungayikhokheli noma ngabe ubonile iscaterisha komunye ungcwabo but if you're not paying for it we can't just offer it for you for free mongade ukhokhela inkomo uzoyithola inkomo kodwa ngeke sikunika ade ungayikhokheli so izinto ezifana nalezo and manje sesenze even ama products because we have clients amanye mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi they are low income yebo kanjalo uthola ukuthi khona abanye abathi hayi mina ngifuna lela bhokisi elithize khona amabhokisi ama imports anjani sesiwakhele nama packages awo abizwa ngo high end nobani but akusho ukuthi ngeke uzu afford anybody can afford it but siyenze in a way ukuthi umuntu angathi eseshonelwe siqale phansi sithi ubona uma ufuna lelibhokisi ukhiphe enye imali because that is the main thing Icebolethu we are about ukuthi affordability and dignity is very important ukuthi into sikunika yona ihlonipheke so noma ngabe ukuyiphi plan izuku izohlonipheka noma usufika ke futhi wena ufuna leli elingakanani noma ngabe li import uzolithola but uma kade ukhokha ipremium yakhona and we make sure ukuthi nje badesha ungcolosi ukuthi we are a one stop shop asifuni ukuthi uma usushonela sesiqala sikubalela ukuthi lokhu akukho I know kunama masingcwabisana benza lama plans kuthiwa 1+8 bani lezinto eziningi mhlawumbe ukuthi ekhaya u15 u300 rand be careful of such they are very good and affordable musaphila but at the time of claim those covers afana nalawo uthi usufika kuthiwa haya kukho ukuthi ngoba akayena main member be careful Icebolethu how we've structured our packages ukuthi umuntu nomuntu noma yini ayijoyinele noma ngabe ungaphansi komunye usukuzoyithola njengoba injalo akukho ukuthi okwa main member lokho udependent lokho akankosikazi no wasibaluli kanjalo uyithola nje iphelele mekuyingane ku platinum izophuma ithola idome ithola ifamily car ithole yonke into kanjalo because sibalekelana ngeke ufike ukhokhela uma singcwabisane kuphela u10 years mase ushonelwe kuthi itenda likho kulongo ngoba kayena main member kuthiwe ina yikho la ngoba kunjani asifuni sifuna ukuthi uma usushonela Icebolethu uma ungena uthi ngishonela hlale phansi bhalisa yonke into uqedwe hamba uhlala ekhaya uzile ungcwabe uqede nje ungazange uye endawo kongqongqoza uthi uyagcwalisela ngazi ngikhokhelani ngaphandle ke phela uma usuyithandela na ufuna ukuba mhlawumbe ukhiphe olunye unyawo oluhlukile kodwa asikunqabi lokho kodwa nje we try ukuthi ama covers ethu akhave nje yonke into iphelele
sure ileyo innovation abekhuluma ngayo uNcolosi and nangona imfundo egcizelela kule yama values so ngizobala la inkomo kuyaba inkomo ngempela neimpondo ephumayo
kuba inkomo ngempela nje ephelele enikwazi ukuthi nenze yonke into yazi phela thina sabantu so kufanele ubaba akhishwe ngenkomo ngeke umlethele nje inkonyana kodwa ulethe inkomo kababa
so this is understanding
clientele
yabantu abamnyama
and culture is very important
yes Ncolosi uyizwa le yenkomo
ngizwa kahle and in addition to inkomo njengoba seshilo CEO Icebolethu siyakufihla then ngelanga lokufihla umkhondo oyidingayo sina catering kodwa futhi at the same time si introduce iplan nje manje ethi mungabe awuthandi catering yethu kodwa ufuna izandla zethu kune plan esithi izandla
so okay
where you buy your own groceries
buy your own grocery we come and cook for you so if you want so there's so umuntu ufalazi ukuthi ufuna izandla or ufuna catering kodwa egcineni sokusiza ukuthi sikuphekele so enye into nje futhi manje nje we just revised our static plans to cater for all our brothers from outside the country to make sure that they are relevant.
And sisters.
And assist, brothers and sisters, yes. Outside the country, yes.
Sure.
Because before we were just paying cash only. I mean, we now, because we can bury in Lesotho, we can bury everywhere. So we've just revised those plans to make sure they are captured for. We've just introduced now as well what we call our orange rewards, linked to iSave. I know you're gonna speak, an ambassador later, but iSave.
Yeah, it's called Orange?
My orange rewards.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
It's for the youth market. So at Icebolethu you can join from 16 up to 99 years of age. But we've got a specific product for youth, for students, asema university, TVET. Yes, packaging it's not about utulindo, utushon.
Yeah.
You receive your benefits while still alive as a student. Ama benefits are they are earmarked for you to enjoy a better life as a student.
Let's just talk about those benefits. Did you hear that? A package designed for the 16-year-olds, Bangena, TVET, Basema universities. So what is included in that package?
It's a total iSave package. Instead of paying 21 Rand or getting a base a plan amount. So when you're there, you've got your access to all the traveling discounts. You've got access to your groceries. You've got access to your legit. You've got access to your retail shops, and you've got access to airtime. It's to make you enjoy your lifestyle, restaurants as a youth person. But ekhaya uma sekuthumela imali yokuthi uyothenga igrocer uma ufuna uShoprite udinga discount.
Okay.
Because you are a Icebolethu member, une discount yakho nasekhaya le discount yakho. But mekwenzeka udlule emhlabeni, Icebolethu will make sure that you are buried with dignity. But whilst you are alive, you also enjoy the benefits. It's for students only.
Yeah.
You must be a registered student and you must be under the age of 30.
Interesting one. Unga-add-ela mfowethu?
Nokubafundisa nge-responsibility. Khona odibhonezi lapha, khona o-milk lane, kukhona amathikithi okubuka ibhola. Yabukho ngekho. In fact nje, if uyi-member yase-Icebolethu, you qualify for this iSave, and if you are using it, it can end up being a free policy. We call it a policy that pays for itself. Because if you are using them, ngena ka-Checkers, ngena Pick and Pay, all the time, uzowathola lama discounts, thola ukuthi uyothenga tomato sauce, izinto ezihlukene. It's a lot of groceries that you've chosen, and you just use it on the app, phone. Thola lama discount, thola mhlawumbe premium yakho 120 Rand. A month, these discounts are like 4,500. So ngeke kube ukuthi wena ayikho into ongangayiboni oyidinga uyithole ezitolo. Nje bade sibala nje ukuthi ugibela ibhasi, uyothenga ko Edgar's ama perfume, nani, makeup, konke nje lokuthola ama discount.
Uyi student uhlela lapha nenkingi ushaya izifundo, you want the counseling, just call.
And you know how much ama students amaningi nje mekuqala unyaka nani abanye baba ne trauma bafike bephuma from high school bangakhophi phone ecingweni thina sokukhanselisha sikwazi ukuthi lesiphathi okusuka kwe high school ungena ngala right, because we bury a lot of students around January lapho bexakwe nokufail matric abanye ba commit suicide. Most of the time we have trauma and stress counseling.
Wow. Interesting. So please sinikeze your questions and comments ubhale nje khona la kule platform uzobona bazokwazi ukuthi bakuphendule in keeping with the values lawo ukuthi bakubeke phambili. Before we wrap up kule ama packages kukhona leyo top up kwi policy engivele nginayo kwi package engisuke nginayo. I'm interested in it. Let's just talk about it ukuthi yenza kanjani le.
Yeah, kukabili. There's what we call supplementary benefits. So monga uthatha policy what we call dignity plans, platinum, but ufuna inkomo ngibasikhulume ngayo. Sibiza nge supplementary benefits, sibiza nge top up before. Khona futhi courtesy car, imoto yokuthi uhambe arrange ama arrangement omncwabo.
Yes.
Unoma yinje ufuna ukuthi over and above just the service itself. Iloko sibiza top up or stroke supplementary benefits. Ukhokha extra for yona. But if you've got a main policy, how much you pay for that one is little cheaper, but also the same time ufuna nje uthi ufuna catering ufuna yena yodwa noma singakuthandi kakhulu lokho kodwa siyakwamukela ukuthi ukwenze lokho ngoba it's still a policy in itself. Sikubiza kanjalo supplementary benefit. Kubalekile ukuthi umuntu azi lebashilo CEO early on kucacisa ufuna kuphi and ukuhambisana nephakethe lakho futhi mabona ukuthi sokufuna ukuhisa kancane uhisa ufuna ukunyusa futhi ukwazi ukunyusa ukuze ukwazi ube right kusebenza kanjalo.
But you don't have to do that with the iSave. Use your iSave, then becomes free. Mina I always say angazi ukuthi thina ukuthi siyathanda ukuthi izinto seyilethiwe kuthina singayisebenzisi. There are a lot of people othola ukuthi unalo ngisho ikhadi uyabona kubhaliwe iSave kodwa akakaze ayihluphi ukuthi awuthi ngeke ngibuze ukuthi yini lama iSave enzekani. Ngiyacela wherever you are, go to any Icebolethu office. Ufike nje uthi ngani zami aningichazele yini ama iSave. How do they work? Because there's a lot you are not benefiting. When a company is paying millions for this service and you are not benefiting from them, and uthola ukuthi uyalose ukhokha ipremium nje kuphela uzothi kuphela 5 years uthi Icebolethu mina ngitholana akaze kushona ekhaya. These are the things you can get over all these years and ungafili nokuthi unane khona imali ekhokhayo because it ends up being free and it gives you more value as well. Angazi ngiyacela South Africa all our members use it. Ungaphandle kwakangena Icebolethu angikwazi uhlezi kuphi la usaduke ngakhona buye uzongena entuthukweni nansi into sinenzele yinhle iyasebenza. Let us use it.
Later on, I have a brand ambassador who's going to elaborate on what they're talking about, the iSave rewards. She's going to talk about to accessible gupi asebenza kanjani. But if you have questions, please do send us your questions. And if you have experience, ngafisa yazothola abantu abazokhomenta ekutheni maybe I've used them asebenze kanjani, mhlawumbe ne question, how is the app, injani service oyithola call center and all that. Please do give us more questions and comments. Sizoqhubeka nje after watching this important message.
Icebolethu iSave Rewards is a big part of my life. I get discounts when I buy groceries from major retailers. But that's not all. iSave Rewards is now bigger and better with discounts on clothing, accessories, cosmetics, travel, and so much more. Yep, sneakers too. But wait, I'm still not done yet. I also get great discounts on a wide variety of fast food like chicken, burgers, wraps, pizza, and so much more. So, whether you're into a salad or maybe even chips, iSave has great discounts for you. Join Icebolethu uthokozela ama iSave rewards.
Welcome back. Siyamukela kule conversation brought to you by Icebolethu Group. Uyazi ukuthi izinto bazenza ngendlela ehlukile and then leading in the industry, trendsetters as well. Now, South Africa's most favorite. Nangu ukukumete. Sawubona makumete?
Ninjani but Alex?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Siyaphila.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi siphinde sihlangane la. The last time mina nawe sikhuluma kusocingweni on my show and sasingabonani. Now I get to sit next to you.
I know. It's great for me to be in the presence of a legend. So siyabonga. Well, thanks to Icebolethu for always doing that.
Oh, cool. Talk to us about sike sabona wehla wenyuka Africa yonke as inxusa upromota ama iSave rewards. Awachaza ukuthi ayini.
Well, I've been saying this repeatedly to abantu abaningi but Alex. Icebolethu is not just a brand efuna ukuba nawe in times of need, in times of sadness. Uma sekhalwa sekushoniwe kodwa sifuna ukuthi sihambe the journey nabantu. I've worked with a lot of brands before and I love to partner nama brands awacabangelayo abantu.
Yeah.
So my iSave Rewards is just one way of Icebolethu saying we care for you and that we do life with you. So abafuna ukuthi befike kuphela masekhalwa but throughout impilo yonke bafuna ukuhamba nawe bepartnerishe nawe bebambe isandla sakho. And so we've been going around the country telling people and launching this amazing loyalty program that's my iSave Rewards.
So asebenza kanjani because if we remember Icebolethu unama premiums owakhokhayo depending on the package le usuke
The lowest
uyichoosile.
premiums, by the way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you had to say that. Yes, you had to mention that.
Had
So,
to mention
isebenza kanjani? So, do you have to ufake ama-point athile? Do you have to pay extra?
It's the most simple thing. So, wonke umuntu one policy neCibolethu, they are automatically legible to have my iSave rewards.
All right.
So you've got the base iSave rewards. So
Yeah.
wonke umuntu nje standard packages we are told. So you can only get though at 3 places, which is ShopRite, you at Gas and Alto Coaches, mawuthenga amatikiti ebhasi.
Sounding interesting. Into ongakazoyizwe before. So, ngifisa uyichaze nje break it down for umuntu mhlawumbe ongathola ukuthi akakabi member already. So, le loyalty program ihamba kanjani? Ukhokha ama-premiums nje or khona enye into ofuneka ukuthi uyikhokhe ngaphezulu kokho?
There's nothing that you need to pay. So it's very, very simple. Wonke umuntu oyine policy neCibolethu
Yeah.
is eligible for my iSave rewards. So we've got our base, which is uthatha even the cheapest, the lowest of the policies. You are eligible now for 3 places. You're eligible with ShopRite, kwa Edgazi, noma uthenga amatikiti ebhasi, Alto Coaches. But with just 21 rands more per month,
Yeah.
uthola ke esesibiza ngokuthi i-loyalty. Lapho ke you unlock a whole new world. Uthola itolo, I mean, I'm talking Edgar's, onke ama-TFG stores, or Foschini,
Yeah.
or Fabiani, nami nje ngike ngahamba ngayothenga for Father's Day Fabiani, ngathola ama-iSave rewards corner, or legit. And then if you're talking with transport, uthola amabhasi, again, like I said, or Alto Coaches, e-Bolt, mawuthenga amatikiti ebola. There are so many things that
Yeah.
you can use ama-iSave rewards kuwona. Ngisho noma uhambe kuma-fast food chains or
Yeah.
Steers or Nando's, Debonair's, kuningi okuvulayo with this 21 rands more.
Wow. So obviously la uyakhona abantu bafuna ukukhuluma about this, they experience it. Any feedback mhlambe from the customers about ukusebenzisa la rewards?
Let me tell you, it's the funniest thing. Now, social media is a great world. We get to connect nabantu on a daily basis. I will post something and I will have comments about people telling me, ukuthi, "Hey, ngihambile," or even mhlambe we've had even moments where people have had a problem with the app yabo my iSave
Yeah.
rewards, and they'll tell me nakhona ku Instagram ukuthi ngihambile ngaya estolo my
And
iSave
then
rewards have
this is what I got,
and
yeah.
I take it and I transfer the message to lama relevant parties and they've had help kanjalo, but people are really excited. Alex, we're living in a time where impilo is quite difficult at
Yeah,
the moment.
yeah.
Wonke ama-prices, inflation yonke into, ama-interest rate hikes.
Yeah.
It's necessary and it's also very welcoming for abantu to get izinto lapho usizo lapho bangalithola khona. And this is just one way that iCibolethu is saying, we're here for you, like I said before. So we're walking with you through the whole way, you know. Siyafuna ukuthi sizane izandla zegezagezane
Yeah.
singabantu. So people are happy.
Wow.
They love it.
Yeah, sengiya kule phuzu lakho lushilo about ukuthi kahle hle i-lifestyle brand. It's not
a
about
lifestyle
ukuthi ma ngishonelwe isihlobo, ngishonelwe i-family member or mina ama-dependents ami abasenkingeni, then ngizokhumbula iCibolethu. They are always there. Now, sikuboneke uya emacinema to watch Fast and Furious.
Yes.
What was that all about?
Listen, first of all, what a great film. And again, you've spoken about how Icebolethu is very innovative.
Yeah.
This is just one of those ways. I mean, Fast and Furious was such a big film globally. And they could have chosen a film that was so uninteresting, but they chose a
Yeah.
film that was so relevant at the
Ethandwa
time.
futhi, yep.
And you know,
Yep.
yathanda kakhulu. So we had so much fun. But we were launching our iSave Rewards 8. And bathi ke Icebolethu njengoba siyabazi, again, abantu njalo bafune ukuthi bebringe their people closer.
Yeah.
They said, you know what, let's actually pick I'm a customer at our loyal customers. So abakhona i-competition, khona kuma-social media, abantu bangenela, WhatsApp bangenela, bawina. And we all went, we were good. This was like a road show,
Yeah,
Alex.
yeah.
Besihamba in South Africa yonke, sihamba nabantu, sishoota nabo, sithola like everything, you know,
Yeah.
more popcorn, we were drinking, we were eating, we were having fun, and we were launching our iSave Rewards. So what better way to launch into eti siyanisiza nonge imani ngokuthi sinikhiphe sinijabulise. So we had a lot of fun.
Iyodwa into ongayibalanga ukuthi ngesikhathi bejabula abantu ama-customer eCibolethu nabanye bebuza ukuthi ngingajoyina kanjani. Also the fans from TV, they got ithuba lokuthi bashuthe with the star
Angazi.
sawo, eh? Yes, Yes.
It was
Yeah.
a great experience for me as well.
Yeah,
I don't
being
think it
South
was just
Africa yonke, because that's when Icebolethu ulithola everywhere. People say ukuthi kunoma imuphi umgwaqo eSouth Africa ngeke ufike la uya khona ungazange uyibone imoto edlulayo ebhala Icebolethu.
Let me tell you, it was actually, I think that's such a pivotal point in my life, because besihamba goGoli, and I was meeting abantu. Like I met one lady who was saying, "Ukuzwe ngeCebolethu ngoba lume wakhe oseLondon." So now we're not just talking, locally, it's just internationally,
yeah.
So abantu abanye, I was just so surprised because akusiyena, and siyathanda ke thina siyaqasha ukuthi akusiyena umasingcwabisane nje lo. We are bigger than that. This is, like I said again, a lifestyle brand. So uthola abantu, kukhona abantu abakhuluma isiZulu, abantu abakhuluma isiZulu, isiTswana, wonke umuntu ekhona. Bethi sihamba neCebolethu. It was such a great and rewarding and fulfilling experience for us.
Sure. Ikhona leyo ukuthi until uzwa abantu bekhuluma uzothola ukuthi kunezinto engama benefits kuwena as a customer, but ngenxa ukuthi ubukade ungawa-utilize awazi ukuthi you've been missing out. I can imagine umuntu ohlale too busy, as long as ekhamba i-debit or as long as ngikhokhile engazi ngala loyalty rewards. Let's just talk in brief ekutheni, how does one join, isebenza kanjani, just recap.
The one thing that I'm right now is the fact that Lama loyalty, it's not just imadlana encane, Alex, 4,500 worth of savings per month that you get on this. And it's so easy, it's like life is rewarded as an opportunity for things to be smooth sailing and easy, So we're saying, if you put your phone, ungangena kwi-app store, noma uphatha Android, noma uphatha, whatever phone, it's very easy. On every app store, you're going to find the app Icebolethu Rewards. Where I download. Maku njengoba lento kade uyisho ukuthi uCebolethu yonke indawo. Mawukhona nje igatsha leCebolethu ngena. Become a member yeCebolethu uzoba eligible kanjalo. Ma unedatha futhi ngena ku www.icebolathugroup.co.za ufike nakhona usayine up ube yilunga leCebolethu uyathola futhi ama rewards. And then the easiest thing also that people can do is call our call center ethu, and these call centers are available, Alex, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Noma yinini mawufuna ukufona nje uzosithola inamba ithi 0860 007580. Ngiyazi ngisho nangekhanda. Guys, it's really simple to remember. 0860 007580 uzokhuluma nomuntu ujoin iCebolethu uthola ama-item rewards.
Sibonga Ambassador Kumete, ungabhala ke nawo ama comments akho ubuze khona la sizoresponda kuwona. Ungatshela nanomunye, share this as well, and then bose lakha ke nalo ipage leli obukela kulona na ku YouTube futhi uzolithola. Asibonge ke Kumete Ambassador yeCebolethu. Inxosa sibonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Alex.
Sure, i-conversation yethu ke izoqhubeka la sikunikeza khona ithuba lokuthi u-interact with iCebolethu, and also mawuthi mhlawumbe you are not a member njengamanje, cabanga nje uzothola ama details nje badesho ukuthi ungasayina yini kanjani, then now bose uya-enjoy experience, mhlawumbe uthola ithuba nje lokuthi umbone ngamehlo ugogo umthinte umphathe ngesandla. I-exciting ke le ndaba yalama rewards. I invited ukuthi ke ababukeli bethu basithumelele their questions, experiences as well. Then I see here uLondi ebuza ukuthi sikhuluma ngendaba yama iSave rewards, khona yini isikhathi la kungathiwa khona ngisakwazi ukwasebenzisa, kusho ukuthi limit ikhona mhlambe ilimit yakhona ekutheni once usebenzise kangaka ngeke usakwazi ukubenefita khona.
No, like I said before, it's 4,500, which is a lot of money that you get worth of our savings. So once it is a cap. Once then you've reached low 4,500, automatically almost 4,500 recharge. So uzongena ke kwinyanga ezayo. So uzophinde futhi waqale phansi maqala nje the new month, then you'll be able to get them again.
So shithi ngasiza lana ukhipha kama slip noma each time wasebenzisa akhumbule. All right, and then khona u-engineer la ozobuza ngendaba ma international customers ekutheni they can be part of iCebolethu njengoba uke washo anywhere in the world. Lama rewards ngakwazi ukwasebenzisa ngaphandle kwebhoda yasemzansi.
Well, we do so much as iCebolethu, for our international clients, including now what is the famous repatriation system. But we have not yet mastered, my iSave Awards for international clientele
Yeah.
as yet. But we're getting to it. We're working, we're growing always as a brand, as a company. And very soon I feel like we're going to be able to say, hey, Nando what was London since it was
Yeah.
what my iSave Awards, but very soon.
Yeah, and ngiyabona namanye ama-comments amaningi la avelayo kuma-questions. Abanye abantu banenkinga yokuthi yes, bayi-downloadile i-app, but bathi akurejisteki kodwa.
Uyazi ukuthi ikivele leyo nkinga Alex, if umuntu mhlambe downloadile i-app wangena kwi-app ngenamba ehlukile kunenamba ekade ethatha ipolicy yakhe ngayo. So angithi phela siyayilinka lento le. Uma unepolicy ilapho oba eligible khona for ama iSave Awards. So fanele inamba ayifani. So ngicela umuntu ukuthi njalo akhumbule ukuthi wa register for Icebolethu ngayiphi yona inamba afake leyo namba ke efanayo.
Oh, okay, yeah, ngoba iyavela ngiyawabona lawo ma-questions evela.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Sasicina nje. Usesebenza, ubusy, useNyukhasela, useThekwini, useGoli. Kufanele ukuthi mina qobo lwami ngize ngifike esitolo yini ukuthi ama-voucher ami ngiwasebenzise noma mhlawumbe ngingathumela omunye umuntu gogo.
Siyaphinda futhi. Icebolethu lihamba nathi. Liyasicabangela. Ogogo nomkhulu, o-auntie, wonke umuntu.
Ngizwa indlela okukhamba ngayo mase uphendula leyo.
Iyangithoba enhliziyweni ukuthi sinabantu abasithandayo abasicabangelayo.
Yes.
Umuntu engakwazi ukuthi angene kwi-app yakhe akwazi ukuthi aredeem i-voucher you know from the iSave Rewards app bese athatha leyo voucher number ayinikeze nanoma ubani gogo Thumingane mama Thumingane umuntu ahamba esitolo ke aseyisebenzisa yena lapho. So you don't need to be there physically, ungakwazi ukuthuma umuntu umcelo ukuthi akwenzele yona.
Asibonge brand ambassador.
Thank you so
Bemnandi
much.
ukuxoxa nawe Gugu.
It was so nice to talk
Sure.
to you too. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu brand ambassador yeCebolethu funeral. Gugu Gumede. Mamla.
Oh gosh. Sanibonani zithandwa, so kusasa njengoba nazi usuku olukhulu. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and I've chosen to celebrate the fathers that are in my life. And I feel like this day could not have come at a better time because Icebolethu Group just launched a loyalty program called iSave Rewards. And this is where members of Icebolethu get to enjoy great benefits while alive. Not umuntu mayiseshonile kuphela. Now, they get great discounts at so many different restaurants, so many different retail stores, at cinemas, e-hailing business like Bolt, and so much more. So ladies, why not spoil the great father in your life by heading to Famiani like I did, or G-Star Raw, or Sporting, or wherever you want. Get dad a little something while saving a little something. To the great dads out there, Icebolethu celebrates you. Happy Father's Day.
Siyaqhubeka sikhuluma indaba ethinta Icebolethu besikhuluma ngendaba yoku-underwriter kwabo Sanlam, sakhuluma ngama-products, sakhuluma ngezinto eyi-technical also ama-customer angayinaki, sakhuluma ngama-benefits, sakhuluma about indaba ye-youth nanokuthi ama-values ebhizinisi anjani when it comes to innovation. We welcome your comments and the questions sizowafunda nje later on, and naleli ungakwazi ukuthi uyishare with umuntu mhlawumbe ongazange akwazi ukuyibona this conversation. Now asikhuluma ngendaba ke yama-complaint customer service. We do know ukuthi Icebolethu lisebenza 24/7. Ithini principle yenu yokhandlisha nje ikhalo and compliments this customer line?
Yes, Icebolethu ikhalo sizamukela kahle kakhulu nje siqale lapho ukuthi we love to know what clients are complaining about, and we've got processes that you need to follow on each and every complaint that we get. So whether you complain with social media, which is not what we prefer, we have other platforms already. We've got a complaints department. Ehlala nje ehlalele ukuthi ibheke ukuthi noma yini okhala ngayo. Before futhi mhlawumbe uzukhale, after every service, funeral noma yini, senza that customer feedback session through our call center, making sure ukuthi client ekade silingcwabele, client ekade silipha noma yiphi service liphatheke kahle ukuze ama complaints esalapho nje siwavimbi angaza social media. Siyahlupheka ke Alex, abantu bethu uvela umbona umuntu engakathinti kwathini, sibone sesibona ku Facebook ngifaka into enkulu engaka. And isikhathi esiningi abanye, it's not even our clients that complain on Facebook. Complain umuntu umzala akanokuthi malini premium, thina lento ayicomplainelayo mhlawumbe sesikhulumile neclient lokho khaya Icebolethu lo okhona emabhukwini ethu sikhulumile naye right, mhlawumbe umuntu acomplainele into nje angazi ngizoyichaza ngithini mhlawumbe acomplainele isithombe ukuthi kade bengasiboni kahle emngcwabeni nani client knows ukuthi uyena osinika isithombe singekho right manje icebo lethu phela senze njani we use what the client has given us but sakhuluma neclient isithombe usinike sona sikho right ayenzani sona leso vela afake umakhelwane ade semngcwabeni kube indaba ende engaka baqhamuke nomunye esesho kunye nomunye esesho kunye siyacela we urge you as ama clients as umphakathi nanoma ubani this is a brand yeyenu musani ukuyibulala about going out there nimemeze kuma social media nani there are platforms complaints department we've got a call center 24 hours call center it's 7 days a week we have call center at Durban with 120 people that are there we've got a segoli with 250 people so nje call center nje into sikhona accessible ngayo yonke indlela ngena ku website yethu mhlawumbe uye lapha ku chat box khulume nathi usitshela ukuthi nangu unenkinga 88 sino WhatsApp number that you can just text uzusicela mhlawumbe ukufonele back so that sizoyilalela i-complaint yakho so nje siyacela kakhulu ama complaints amukelekile nanoma inini kufanele we are here to give a zero defect service zero defect yonke service isikhathi esiningi Alex siyangcwaba awukwazi ukuthi umngcwabo ngicela ukuthi iphutha la last week ngicela phinde ngishole next week khona ngizolungisa we are about giving the client a good customer experience good customer care and that we need to do it once so if ever abantwana bephazamisekile okukhona la kuphazame khona kusuke kufanele ukuthi sikulungise and sikulungise futhi client akuxatshenwe phela ukuthi mhlambe kwenzeka iphutha ngazi ihesi mhlambe wafika walinda kancane noma kwenzekani akuxatshenwe kodwa sangcwaba senzani asingabheki kakhulu lokho kodwa let's improve the service and let's complain to build not to complain to break because most complainer usho izinto ezimbi zobulala ibrand this is a brand that employs almost 2000 people senze njani ukuthi ama clients ahambe wonke abaleke sibenze njani labantu abangaka abazophelelwa imisebenzi just because wena udinwe ukudinile wakukhipha ngendlela okukhipha ngayo you are allowed to complain use ama platforms afanele nendlela yokucomplain nokuthi ke nje ngempela njengoba ngisho Alex ngicela ukuchizelela musu ukuthi kade ungakhokhi kwa premium awulona iclient ucomplain ngento ongayazi mhlambe buyela kumnikazi wepolice umbuzo ukuthi naku bekwenze kanje icebo lethu uyena uyazi ukuthi mhlambe kwenzekeleni lokho but wena usukhulume usufake kuyona yonke indawo kumanje we've got legal action that we have taken about I think 2 complaints that are on and those people bazojeza and what is bad uzothi icebo lethu libopha ama clients noma ubani it's not about that it's about teaching them a lesson ukuthi don't speak kungafanele musukhuluma ngendlela wrong asikhulume asicomplain kodwa ngokwakhe this is a brand yethu emnyama that competes against very big companies amakhulu angakalisted amanye enze njani if just because it is black female owned no we can't do that to our very own let's protect it and thank you to those clients that ekutheme khona izinto ezifakwa eshow ngathi zishiwo kambi ezinye zenza there to kill us thank you for protecting us thank you for continuing to believe in us ukuthi noma sebethini kodwa nina nofele ecebo lethu ushiwo nje athi sofelele ecebo lethu siyabonga nje kakhulu and we really appreciate that
well usakhuluma ngaleyo kunezinto positive eziningi ezenziwa ile nkampani I supplier database yenu la ninika khona abantu beyitofu caterer inkomo njalo ngizoqala bona ngalosi before ngize ku group chief executive ihamba kanjani
before singene lapho ngifuna ukuthi to build on what you always said feedback is a breakfast of champions so ama complaints asiza kakhulu ku improve ingakho icebo lethu sine academy yethu to train our staff we've make sure now ukuthi ama manuals ukuthi sisebenza kanjani akhona ukuze abasebenzi bahleze beqeqeshekile so and mongana no platform any branch and you have a complaint about the service esikhule kuyenza kahle sangagculisa sitshele and so you attend within a very limited period. Suppliers, we see also it's one of our biggest cause of complaints. Because, and I think let me allow CEO to explain our business model around suppliers and then talk how we are managing it.
Sure.
Yes, Alex, I've got to put sink, but at the end of the day, go be will be downfall yakho. Because as a brand, we can do everything ourselves, but we said, let's not just take the whole pie. Let's share this pie with other people. So in every area, la service corner, cinema suppliers that we subcontract, our database yethu, asinikeza amatende, konke lento sikhipha amatende zitsha nenani, konke. Sizoba nama suppliers asinike imoto, sina suppliers asisupply ngeinkomo, so that nabo bezothola isinkwa badle. Just to empower the smaller businesses as well. We call it enterprise development. We do that as a brand at Icebolethu. So I think about a month we pay not less than 12 million just on that as a brand. You find ukuthi ebusuku in the middle of the night a client will be calling with isitofu asinemlenze. But the supplier knows ukuthi fanele ahambise isitofu esinemlenze. Ebusuku umuntu uyafona inkomo engafiki. Umnikazi wenkomo uyazi fanele futhi usekhokheliwe ukuthi ayideliver inkomo, but uzodeliver inkomo ngesikhathi sakhe. Uzodeliver inkomo mhlawumbe ayideliver futhi adeliver inkomo engekho esimeni esigculisayo. But why? And mase umuntu manje umphuca lesinko umkhipha uyakhala futhi. And it's very bad. I think kuma complaints wonke esiwabona eCebolethu 95% of our complaints aqhamuka nalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo. Aqhamuka ngo supplier. So what does that put us as a brand? Honestly, abantu bazophelelwa isinkwa kusasa kuthiwa iCebolethu lasivalela ngaphandle. Kanti ibona labantu esibaqashayo abangenzi izinto ngendlela. So siyacela kakhulu umphakathi before ufake lapha yonke into ko Facebook usisho yonke into uthi itende lingcolile nani. Itende leli likhona yes liphume eCebolethu, but through usupplier that uCebolethu is empowering ukuthi athole isinkwa. So it's very important ukuthi nabo singabalahli but asibakhulise asibafundise. But again ngiyazi ukuthi it's at the expense of the client usukade ekhokhe engafuni explanation. Nobody needs an explanation eseshonelwe inencazelo ukuthi awuyindaba itende lingcolile ufuna itende wathi uzolifaka awushongo uzofaka elingcolile. Give in the correct. Kuningi nje we have a lot of service providers abamabhokisi abezinto ezihlukene that we work with. So nje esicelayo ukuthi sicela nibambisane nathi ekubakheni labo suppliers bagroom nabo babosomabhizinisi abakhulu ngelinye ilanga. But nabo abashintshe abenze kahle abashintshe honestly because they really let us down, because some of the complaints that we look at are really valid, are really legit. And ubone na uthi awukhoda supply usuhambiselana amaplate angcolile usuhambiselana amaplate angafani usuhambiselana izipuni ezinjena. Thina we paid full price ukuthi izipuni zinhle zikonke kuphelele bakulethe. Kurong.
Empowerment, but again nakhona owning up ekutheni yes ikhona but inkinga esilungisayo but sifuna uku-empower ama-suppliers as well. Sizothatha ama-questions siwafunde, but if usingayifundanga question yakho noma i-comment ungakhali because bazokuphendula khona la kwiCebolethu. Bengu asikhulume nge-relationship eninayo with iBox.
Yeah, that's one of our relationships we are very proud of. iCebolethu inkampani ekhulayo, so partnerships with other big brands are very important for us. And through Boxer, we are gaining access to various outlets. We are helping us to expand. We want to be a national business that is everywhere in the country. And so when you walk into some of the Boxer shops, and we list them now on, in our websites, you get full Icebolethu branch. You can do your claim, you can service your policy, you can buy, you can do that. And we are very grateful to Boxer for taking a small baby like us, which is a big baby 14 years later, and trust us with their space. And it's a relationship that we are very proud of, and we are looking forward to grow, to be in every Boxer across the country. That's what we are working towards.
Oh, wow. Yes, interesting. Nomfundo ngiyazi ukuthi ke kuthiwa indaba ikhulunyelwe eziko. You're being recognized internationally now. We heard ngandlebenye. Talk to us about that recognition. To cross the border, cross ulwandle phesheya.
Yeah, we have been nominated for the Commonwealth Awards in Singapore, so we'll be going there. Yeah, ngishilo ngathi we're a global brand. So ababonga kakhulu nje umsebenzi esiwenzayo ngaphandle, not just the work we do in South Africa but beyond the borders. Because kubalekile ukuthi osomabhizinisi singapheleli nje la, but siphume sibone ngaphandle ukuze sithuthuke and sikhulise amabhizinisi ethu.
Okay, so manje uzowela uyoyilanda award le?
I'm bringing it home. I'm bringing it home not just for Nomfundo but for our clients. For our clients that have supported us in all these 13 years. We wouldn't have done it without them. So bonga bona nje kakhulu ngoba yonke le recognition eyabo. So nje siyabonga kakhulu and they must continue supporting us. Sayibona yonke imisebenzi yakhulu Icebolethu ngaphandle globally, yes. Regionally, when I talk regionally, I'm talking to Africa. I was talking about us being in 13 countries. That is very big. It's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not an easy job starting a brand outside the country because they're not, imithetho ayifani, benza izinto ngenye indlela. But taking that risk and making sure we perfect it as a brand, even our client service beyond the borders is exceptional and all of that. It's something to be proud of and to be grateful and thankful for.
It's true. Icebolethu labantu.
Amen.
Sanibonani bakithi, igama lami nguClementano kaMsimani, ngiseSoweto, but I like this video because it's going to be international because labantu angikhuluma nabo namhlanje angibabongayo, they are an international company of an international standard, Icebolethu. Ngihlangane nabo ngishutha iNikiwe and I'm playing uMasibisi kuNikiwe, ngabona umsebenzi wabo omuhle, ngathi la ekhaya masabathi bazoba nomsebenzi unveiling nge-17 zika June ngo-2023, ngabuka ngabheka ngathi ngobani angaba contactor for them to come and give me umsebenzi ongangijabulisa. I looked around and when I called Icebolethu, guess what? I just fell in love with them because ngawubona umsebenzi wabo and they are here today. Let me tell you, they've put me on the map. I am excited. People who are seeing their work bayabuza ukuthi ngobani labantu babuyaphi, ngiyabatshela ngithi ni connected ngoba connected with the best. Icebolethu, my dear, they give you the best of the best service. Into mabathi bazoyenza umsebenzi wabo is of high standard. It is umsebenzi of an international standard. Uyazi mayenza umsebenzi we-unveiling, it's not easy because not everybody is happy. You cannot satisfy everybody, but bona whoever is here is saying it's standard, high class. Ngiyabonga Icebolethu, uNkulunkulu anandise, uNkulunkulu anikhulise ukudlula lana, nabanye mabafika bakhala bathi sicela nizosenzela. Yazini banzeleni the best of the best. Ngithanda inhliziyo zenu, ngithanda ubuntu benu, ngithanda yonke into yenu. I am so excited. I am so happy. I even don't angazi ukuthi ngizenzeni. Ubuhle obula, the flowers, the cutlery, the crockery, the setup, the carpets, the table, the food, the setup, just their presentation is the best. Ngiyabonga, uNkulunkulu anenze kahle.
I guess my questions. I did ask you to submit my questions. Kanye nama comments ongaba nawo. CEO kanye ke no managing executive bazothi go through the questions. Asiqale ngale yokuqala. Siqale kuwena Bheki.
Yes. Umuzo oqala ukuthi i-maximum cover ka-100,000 no Sanlam ihamba kanjani. Umthetho uyavuma ukuthi umuntu nomuntu in every criminal policy you cover a member either through your own policy or through someone else. Thina ama-cover limits, ama-covers ethu awekho impacted by 100,000. Ama-statutory limits are-impacta izingane encane kuphela. La ukuthi mhlawumbe osemncane because there's a limit of age, cover according to age. 100,000 ngeke sibe nayo inkinga. So if you are covered with us for our cover and you've got another policy with Sanlam, all those policies will be paid out and paid out properly and correctly.
So ungabi nayo inkinga. All right. Nomfundo?
Emunye umbuzo ababuzayo la Alex uthi uma ufuna ukwenza i-unveiling ngagogo ngakwazi ukusebenzisa izandla package. Definitely yes, you can use izandla package. It's for any catering. Catering nje uma ubona ukuthi kuyabiza, mhlambe not kuyabiza ngoba kubiza. Mobile ukuthi mhlambe at that time affordability ayikho ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uthathe full catering izandla ikhona uthenga ukudla kwakho sikwazi ukukuphekela. Omunye uke azabuza ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha icover ye catering yokuthi mase ngishada cha siyangcwaba kuphela bazalwane asiyenze imishado nani top up nje catering uyithola kuphela uma ukuthi ujoinele catering uma sekushoniwe. And then naku unveiling ngonjala uyijoinele catering unveiling only if ushoniwe. That one you just pay cash. We do have cash packages at catering. Another question othi amajuba athola ubani amajuba asecibulethhu asedumile lamajuba. Amajuba noma ubani yawathola wadingayo endawabizi. But ke siyawazi amajuba asebenza kanjani Alex. Kuneyindawo ahamba a certain distance from la ngithi wadedela ayiphindelela wona emuva la ihlala khona. They're very clever. So depending on the distance nala ihlala khona uma kuyi distance le right ukuthi angakwazi ukubuyela uyakwazi ukwathola. Kodwa ungathi uhlala kude na la kuhlala ngakhona amajuba mase ufuna amajuba ngeke ukwazi ukwathola la ngophela nawazoduka. Azoduke ngasalibona ikhaya. Yes, definitely, but amajuba akhona amajuba asecibulethhu siyawazi. Ithi nini?
Oh, bekuyile khuluma ngendaba yokulapsa ukuthi police lapsa after isikhathi singanani?
Oh,
yes. I-police asecibulethhu ilapsa after 67 days. It's 67 days ungakhokhile.
Oh, 67 shooting ngoba 2 days ago bekuyi 67 days kaMandela.
Normally it's 2 months.
Yeah.
For most companies, some 1 month. But in a 67 days, ngoba abanye amalungu amaningi ahola ngabo umkhaka 5-6 sikhathi izipesheli kanjalo. So kwenza ukuba kwazi bangatholanga ithuba lokuyokhokha ngaso sikhathi ngakuzafaka lo 7 days to accommodate that. Kodwa ungakhokhile izinsuku ezo67 lapho ipolice yakhe yalapsa futhi khona kodwa unalo ithuba lokuthi ukhokhe ubuye within 4 months kodwa 67 days oyinikezwa wona sure before la police ke lapsa.
Okay. Kanti uyakwazi phela ukhokha upfront unyaka wonke mobona ukuthi hayi uyaxakeka ubuye mhlawumbe uhambe ungabikhona eduze noma mina yiphi inkinga vele ukhokhe upfront ipolice yakho khokhe unyaka wonke liphume inkingeni siyakwamukela okunjalo.
Okay. Kukhona isikhalo esithinta inkomo nomfundo ukuthi
size wenkomo
ukuthi inkomo yafika akuyona leyo wayeyithenjisile.
Le nto ngikhuluma ngayo kuma suppliers ukuthi sometimes sikhokhela inkomo thina ngempela ephelele sinenani esikhokhayo le inkomo umuntu adeliver inkomo ubona ngempela ukuthi ayikho esimeni esifanele. So nje kuyenzeka lokho ama suppliers ethu esihluphayo but okubalekile ke manje we've changed the process. Every supplier deliver inkomo ezoyideliver siyibone nesithombe. Kanti futhi ifamily siyayivumela ukuthi ihambe iyozikhethela inkomo la ko supplier wethu ifika ikhombe yona ifunayo. So it becomes easier that way ngoba akakwazi ukukhala ngenkomo ayikhethe yena. So nje lezo zinto sesikulungisile and kuzokwenzeka ngaleyo ndlela ukuze ama clients ethu ajabule athola inkomo ngempela ebanigculisayo.
Sure. Kunesikhalo la someone is not helping a call center ukuthi ama consultants they promise that they will call you back but ulindi the whole week bengabuyelanga kuwena uzoyabhala nokuthi guys you can do better.
We try by all means ukuthi because njengoba ngisho we have 2 call centers, one in Joburg and one at Durban, ukuthi sibuyisa ama calls on time, but because of the number of calls and the clients that are interested in Icebolethu, sometimes it becomes so difficult to call them in a day or in 2 days. But if kunjalo thumela umyalezo nje WhatsApp noma uthumele labo vele uyisho inkinga ngoba omunye mhlawumbe kusuke kuyinkinga angavela ichaze ku message and mhlawumbe seshe responde even earlier because sinawo amanye ama platforms. We've got groups that deal with social media, we've got groups that deal with websites kanjalo. So monga pendulekanga call center zama another platform ngoba nayo call center isuke izogcina ikuphendulile. Yes.
No, siyabonga. We've come to the end of this session, but it doesn't mean ukuthi ama questions mhlamba bangawaphendulanga asesele ngaphandle. Khona le number le customer line 24/7 7 days, and you can use these platforms. They are on social media. Okusale ngaphandle, please, nama compliments as well. Yes, she did say yes, we must complain openly, siba approach her following the channels akhona, but nongqolosi futhi wasiyagcizelela kodwa ekutheni customer service yona into abayiprioritizayo. Uma ungena nje ebranchini uzokwazi ukuthi imatter yakho iaddresseke. Siyabonga kakhulu baphathi baseCebolethu.
We will continue having the same sessions because we want to reach out to our clients where brand engasabi ukuthi ibe phambi kwabantu laba ababaserviceayo, so that they can say anything they want to say. This is the platform, use it. And ungasebenzisa ama platform ungewona ngoba uzogcina ungakuthola ukusizakala, ugcina ungifake uqala inkinga ezintsha. Nansi platform, khuluma nathi sikhona. Sisuke kude sishiye konke sabaphathi brand ifana ikhule, so that we are accessible to our clients. Siwasize nanoma ingaluphi usizo alidingayo. So nje ngicela le platform siyisebenzise kakhulu, please.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Your closing remarks when managing executive?
Icebolethu sina sonke. Si busy manje siya ebantwini social CEO cebula abantu umuntu nje umuntu akabheka ukuthi icebolethu liza nini ngakubo. We will be meeting, interacting and engaging with customers on the ground. Khona sokwazi ukusola ukuthi lapho ngakini icebolethu lizibonakala lenjani, yini efanele senze ngakini ukuze icebolethu lihambisane kanye nawe. So umuntu must be look out communication ukuthi zane nedolobheni langakini.
Sorry Alex, nokuthi people don't lind ukuthi kuzobe nenkinga. Mawubona nje nanti itende laseCebolethu limile nani ima yazi mina ipolicy yami awuthi wengane yami akungicheckela ukuthi sabamba akungicheckela ukuthi sa right ama beneficiaries am kanjalo it's nice because we are everywhere. We are everywhere. Itende lethu khona noma inkuphi maningi amatende ethu kanti ke ne call center available. Don't call ngoba sekunenkinga. Phone nje once a year mhlawumbe time mina ngikhokha debit order noma ngenzani. Phone nje once a year ukuthi policy yami isa right. Kusakhona labo bantu engangibafakile. Kusanjani ukuze inkinga uyivikele ingakenzeki. Ngiyacela nje kakhulu all those platforms akuwona ukujoinisa abantu abasha, but ukuservice nama clients that exist. And also ungahambeli kude because nje badusha ukukhuluma nge-innovation, we keep bringing new things, products nani. Hlala ububuza sekwenziwani hawu sahamba mhlawumbe sekukhona okunye okusha wena ungakwazi. Woza uzobuza sikuchazele ungene ezintweni ungasali ngaphandle.
This brings us to the end of this session brought to you by Icebolethu. Alex Mtiani. Siyabonga nisale kahle.
Thank you.
Amen.
Today is Saturday. It is the 20th of May, and my name is Gugu Gumede, and I'm here obviously with Icebolethu. So because Sapila Nani, we're here today to help Utobeka, give her a chance, 1 minute only, to grab anything and everything that she wants here at Checkers in Gateway. So 3, 2, 1, go! This is why we say this is not just a one-off thing, but we are constantly and always there with you. So join Icebolethu, and if you're not yet a member, tell your friends to join and you might also just get the chance to be here. For 60 seconds, you're kitchen